India we highway network wuivang sarkarna lupa 10 lakhs crore invest sara Northeast Wishongfu USA hithara gaji Union Minister Nitin Gadkari na hanghaira. WAF Amendment Act li makamaya petitions thasang kawai MBCC wimi minganin khani New Delhi wahaira. Ringyaophi aja Tangkhul Express Pvt bao Ringyaophi Ningshen in the Ningshen bao ping may saina nganang rooms. Rakara zingkum khani we longli India we highway networks wuivang sarkarna lupa 10 lakhs crore invest saragaji Union Road Transport and Highway Ministers Nitin Gadkari na chishathairan. Khangaranji Northeastern regions wuivang la khamataya sada zangdalayaji. Northeast Shongwe Highways, United States, Wishongfu, Kamataya Kakashuragachi, Gadkarina, Hanghaira. News agency li Gadkarina infrastructures, Matasang Kavai, Shorka winning rin khalei, Hangjitaya. India Bum Saikoro January Matada, High Kavai Luba 10 lakhs crore mandwe projects Krigara, Kala Northeast, Wishongfu, US standards li Nathum Kapayaka, Matada Samira Gaji, Union Road Transport and Highways Ministers, Jinahanga. WAF Amendment Act 2025 lima kamaya petitions Supreme Court li thasang kawai Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MBCC wi mingin khani New Delhi wahaira. Hangda khale MBCC wi mi khani Chief former MLS Muhammad Fazur Rahman Kala Muhammad Amin Shah Anina. Congress Bhavan former Chief Minister CLP Kathana Okrami Bobby Singh na Baumi Bingling Execta BJP na Kathan Central Sarkar li Kashoi Phenhaira. Sada kalehi secularism le attack Sanada CLP Kathana Jinahanga. Senior Congress Kathana Mallikarjun Kharge Rahul Gandhi Zangda Bill Jili Makamaya Rajya Sabha lila Lok Sabha lila ngavau kahaina. Bobby Singh na kahang WAF Amendment Act Chiling Sunda Congress Party na SC li petitions ngadada thasang hairan. Jidada MBCC nala Indian democracy li kazang constitutional values kala principles uphold sada khalei da hangsang. Assam Sarkar na Adani ngishigda otsagi kajiwi phaikar khuiphokhaira. Adani Group na Assam ni luba 50,000 crore investor kajihi marun kachang Pam Kahai Advantage Assam 2.0 Investment and Infrastructure Summit li hangahai na chi. Wuivang Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma kala Adani Group with Director Jit Adani Zangta Ayamathang Sakla Kahai Kazipama. Chief Minister Sarma na maram hi Twitter li kabishokta kahangna. Secular nga daday da Wuivang Adani Group na invest sara da duimi kahai ji kajangkat ungshok haura da Assam Sarkar na jihandali. Invest sara gaji maram Assam Sarkar na Adani Group walungli shoisa kahai MOUs layeji. Invest sa kahai ji cement plants, aero city kala thermal power projects higathali mira dahanga. Assam Muilan Sinrin Haksang Kavai Wuivang, Randa Khalei Wuivang, Tarkar Kasa Clearances State Takta Mihaura, Ngalibam Kacha Mihaura the CM Sermana Hangsanga. Northeast li Karesa the On-Cro Robotic Surgery Facility Guwahati Medical College li Leihaira. Akab Wuivang Central na allocations luba 15 crores miyachi. Facility ji aya Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma na targat kamiya. Chief Minister na kahang jigata facility ji Siljar kala Dibukra lila hai mikhavai stage na Khangaran satale. Maram hi Chief Minister Sarma na our official social media handle Twitter li kapishoka. Stage na facility li Bohak Panit Kamayon atam li launch sami haira. Kala ji amant kapai precise sashun kahai kala least invasive oncological surgical procedures sampangasa kawai made in India machineries kwira kaminachi. Sarma na kahang high-end medical tech sing kawai stage in a manpower sara mamantale kala stage in a cancer arisha saikorali nursing college show kawaila ngarandale. Nursing college pingjili English, Japanese kala foreign languages in a program mirada Chief Minister jina machan sanga. Maitei we Gumter Panit Jairoba Kamyonli Manipur Legislative Assembly with Speaker T.H. Sadraprada Singh na State Regional Pingle Shalam Mihairan. Jairoba we Ringapa Janpa Mikushokli Panitina Saikoro Wuivang Kamatan Pasakapa Lekaya Kwira Miranuda Speaker Jina Hangjipuna. Zingkum Hida Manipurli Kokakasa Hakasang Jingrika Hai Kwira Nuda Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Sadraprada na Hangjipuna. Manipur li khalei National Institute of Technology NIT li Capacity Buildings Programs on Design and Entrepreneurship CBDE Cell Wuivang as accreditations mihairan. CBDE na NEP 2020 Ministry of Education Swazing li khalei Malavia Missions Teacher Training Programs MMTTP initiative akana. Maram Wuivang MOE Under Secretary Ramesh Kumar Sharma na Indian Institute of Information Technology for Design and Manufacturing IITDM Kachipuram Chennai kapiwa haira. Accreditation sam kapang ji India li hi NIT Manipur na hangmatida kapanga institute ngasai. CBDE programs ji matailak na design skill entrepreneurships development li rinda faculty kala higher educational institute with capacity maling mengasa kawai kasana ji. NIT Manipur Director Professor Somaya Julu kala Registered Professor KH Domba Singh na Ministry of Education kala Malaya Missions Teacher Training Centers IITDM Kanjibuma Chennai Ningashi Pongshoka. Imphal East District li khudlai ngata da hai ka Manipur Police in Central Armed Force na pakhuhere. Team China ayang athor Nathum Ching areas Sanasapi village ngalemli operations fire. Operations sing athor bongmati makhai shikali hapokta Manipur Police, Manipur Rifles, Indian Reserve Battalions, 4 Mahars Regiment, Border Security Force Wimiping Zanga. Atam na paga kui khudlai ngachaili number 36 hand grenades, detonators, tube launchers, rubber bullets, 84 mm ILLG barra bombs, INSAS LMG magazines, bulletproof jackets plates, full bulletproof jackets, metal inner barrel, MK4 hikatahi sampangan, 7.62 mm AK munitions, live round lazangsai. Rai wuivang kazib kahai thada legasaji insurgent elements na rakarata wuivang kangran kasaji thaya dahangan. Kutlaya ka bakaiji attack sakavai hai kasanada authorities na ningmonga. Manipur internally displaced persons IDPs being wuivang Central Shokarna Luba 217 crores mihairachi. Ka ground report le fund azak mathata mathai tuwagachi pao le hairam. Imphal Times report hishuda fund pingji sampangran pingli mawashung thura. IDPs taraka ngayin kui kawai mathata malay basic facilities mathata masampang na layat jihaira. Shokarna Luba kangjon mishokai salabai. Kaji beneficiaries pingli mawashung rangada hanga. Manipur Minister Nemja Kipkent tharkat kami kahai prefabricated shims pingji sem kami leilaka. Ka shims ji tharkat kasa kai kamangli washung thatar jihaira. Shokarna kangajon mida khalei wi katong ji displaced shimkur pingwi ngachai lila akum magshi kamangli washung thatar. Kadai ping chotla kahai safe makasa conditions li oktui da Imphal Times wi pau jina hanga. Itum na taipai Shogar officials pau issue the Union Ministry of Home Affairs na 2024-25 fiscal kum wuivang lupa 217 crores allocate sa kahaina. Jimatay na state wi rot kamrat de displays sa kahai ping with relief and rehabilitations wuivang na. INS pau issue the Manipur Finance Department with senior officials na kahang Financial Com 2024-25 li sector ng the wuivang Central Shokar ina kagutom taraka sampangan. Ang nagkahang 2025 mayo kajang Central Assistant lupa 1,926 crore centrally sponsored schemes CWS schemes for special assistance to state for capital investment SASCI kala central scheme katewi sampangan. Jigata kangjon kajanga kali sam kapangjina chungmay tuyaji. The Draga High Financial Kumni SASCI we azingli luba 1,437 crores sampangachi, kalachiwi 60% luba 869 crores mayokachangli sampangachi. SASCI funding chili BWD we ot kasali liabilities clear sa kawai special funding luba 320 crores changachi. Fiscal Kum 2024-25 li rural housing wuivang PMAY Gramin we azingli luba 169 crores sampangachi. Luba 520 crores shika school educations wuivang 305 crores na health we kala 458 crores na Ministry of Women and Child Development we ina sampangachi. Ka fund hiyaka jang salala kajangkat state with relief implementations ngate hang laya kachi IT pau jina hanga. Ladrita ajiwi kamadaya pauping. India we highway network wuivang shokarna lupa 10 lakhs crore invest sar Northeast Bishongfu USA we thara gaji Union Minister Nitin Gadkari na hanghaira. WAF Amendment Act li makamaya petitions thasang kawai MBCC we mi mingnin khani New Delhi wa haira. Aju we bao healing a jang haira bao ngana da khlei Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kala khamhai simishong sa serana.